Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 6th of May. This is our weekly recap. Put this out there for free. If you're interested in joining us, come over to smartoptiontrading.com, link in the description. Please hit the bell. Follow me on YouTube. I post videos, not just on every Friday, but I post them sometimes throughout the week. So you get them all the time. If you want to join us, click on live trading alert. $25 for the first 30 days. You get a live trading room with a very active community, Discord, private Twitter feed, Zoom, like you're seeing right now. Everything there for the $25. So let's talk about this week and where we're at. And it's been a very difficult week here in the markets. And, here it is Friday. We just missed putting a double O on the SPY, but we came close enough for government work, even though I don't know that this is going to hold. And you look back here and you had that big rally on Monday, push down rally off the 405. That was support. We called that to the T pre-market. You got a nice 2 to 3 day rally, the Fed rally all the way up to just shy of the 21 day. And then the next day we did what everybody feared. We gapped down, trapping everybody long in the market, and got a brutal slow sell-off all day yesterday. Today we have a very doji candle here with about 25 minutes to go. And if you look at the action today, it's been very different. You had this big panic flush on the open deck down into the 405 area. And then we came off the lows, but there's still a lot of selling here. And when I look at the daily chart on this market, and you take this back and let's open this up to 1 year, right? The high of the year was put on the first trading day of the year. We broke below the start of the war low. We have two double bottoms ish in the 405 area here. And, the market here is saying, I don't know what I want to do, but this is what I can tell you. This will be over when we either get a flush in the market and buyers come in, or you see a change in that they sell into strength. Right now, this market is selling into every little strength. That means big institutions are using you, retail investors like me, like everybody else here, and they're selling into it. They're using the hedge funds, they're using the algos, they're just letting them bring it up. And if you look on the 5-minute chart today, yep, come up here, look at this, dump it. Let them bring it back up a higher low, dump it. And here we are coming off the lows again, but there's no trust in here. There's no faith in this. If you look at what's going on, yesterday we had big volume, 172 million shares. Today, we're not going to hit that, but we're 116, volumes up. Breadth is atrocious today. The oscillators is another thing. We can't get a very good oversold signal in the markets. They just don't want to let it happen. We can't get one of these deep flushes like we got into these areas. Just doesn't want to give it. The Qs have been the weaker link, and you can see what's going on here. The Qs put a new year low of the year in here, very weak there. The VIX cannot get above 35 and hold it. And that's the thing to keep watching. The VIX has not been acting quite right. You'll notice today here, look at this sell-off here on this thing. This thing is down more than it should be based upon the price action. Yesterday should have been up more than it was. It's just very strange action on the VIX. Bonds can maintain to be a big problem. Nobody wants to own bonds yet. They keep dumping them. Crude continues to be extremely strong, breaking back up to the upside here. When China comes back online, there's just not enough crude out there with all the sanctions against Russia. This is going to be a problem, and we'll continue to keep an eye on this as we move forward. One thing I'll keep telling you is when you're looking for investment bottom here, you got to be patient. Eventually the market will tell you when it's ready. You look at names like Crowd, which looked so good a month ago, getting absolutely pulverized here. Apple gave us some trades this week, trying to hold this at low area, not acting so good. You got a downtrend in here. I'll do charts this weekend, whichever day is the weather here is not supposed to be nice this weekend, whichever day is worse. Microsoft, a great report as well, cannot hold in. AMD, trying to hold the 8-day, remains a little bit stronger. Square had a great report last night and it got sold off on it, and great guidance. And the market overall continues to be very weak. If you're looking for bounces and you're saying, well, the names can't get cheaper, well, they can. Amazon here getting pummeled. You got new multi-year lows here on this one, absolutely getting pummeled on this name. Open it up for you, you can see getting destroyed. For the first time, Google is now worth more than Amazon. This started yesterday. It's been not the first time, but a long time since this has been that way. So Google holding in better. Shop is getting absolutely obliterated off the face of the earth. They split in less than a month, the 10-for-1 split. At this point, you're looking at a $35 stock. So, if you like these names, you might want to wait for some of these splits to come in. But right now, the trade remains in energy and some of the commodities, and everything else here is very difficult to trade and very tough. For me this week, I made good money. I was a little bit short today on the NQs, and I switched around long on TQQ. I traded in and out of the ES all week, took some big losses along the way, but overall managed to find my way and make a lot of gains. And, AMD was really nice to me. That helped a lot. And sometimes it's just about finding one or two nice trades a week to help you out. So if you're looking for a bottom, you need to be patient. You need to wait for it. You need to watch. If you want to join us, click on in the link below, and we'd love to have you. And everybody have a great weekend. And I'll catch you bright and early on Monday morning in the room.